£14.25 for the delayed, £14.19 LNER Arizona from London King's Cross to Edinburgh Waverley. Oh, we haven't lowered Moss yet. Come on, Moss. There we go, that's Moss. Gone. I like that shot. After this, we'll head to Moss, to the Isn't area. Well, it's a while since I've been here. He was to come here after school. I love these crossings. Should be here shortly anyway. I'm not quite sure when he'll be here because he was only just passing out. So. Here we are. One 201 for Edinburgh Waverley. Oh. What now? No idea. I've no idea, but I'm gonna go get some wigwag shots. After this, we'll definitely go to Moss. I don't know what we're staying down for. Because obviously I ain't got my phone to check. Something's here and it's a nice speed one. Aberdeen to London, I think. Yeah. To 107. And there they go. Right, thanks everybody, I'll see you next time. Just wait for the other one. Right, time now is 15:19. This will be the 15:19 cross-country high-speed train service from Reading to York. And quite possibly the 14:20 LNER Azuma from London King's Cross to Edinburgh. After this, I think we'll head to Moss. Well, it's good to be back at this finally. After Storm Barbit, whatever they want to call it. I mean, Outline was shut off at Grantham. My brother were on his way up from King's and it were a nightmare. Yeah, I should be having a cross country first because it was just approaching Shaftholme. Here he is. Cross country. For Reading. For York, sorry. Yeah, we are staying, I thought we would. No, we're not, we're going. Well, that's a bit stupid when there's LNER in station.